passing the Anglican church here on the way to Firehouse Coffee, which makes me think of England. So, another 2-day BRC. Before I start this morning, I am going to Firehouse Coffee to get me a cappuccino and to chill before the rigours of teaching new riders how to ride. As you can see here, I'm pulling up to Firehouse Coffee, my favouriteest place in the whole world at the moment. I'm sure that'll change one day. So I had my coffee and breakfast at Firehouse Coffee. Leaving, there was a large group of people with their dogs. One woman, I think she had like 5 dogs with her. I'd rather her than me. That's all good. So, pulling out. So, off to Thomas Nelson Community College for the start of day 2 of the basic rider course. Here I am pulling up, and I'm going to ride the box. Every time I come here, I have a go at riding the box on my motorcycle. It's all well and good doing it on the practice motorcycles, but doing it on a full-size motorcycle is a completely different story. It's fairly simple though on my Triumph Bonneville T120. As you can see here, round I go. And that's enough of that. I'm going to go and park up. I'm going to go in the classroom and do that sort of thing. So this is after the class everybody passed. So I'm just going to go and say goodbye to everybody. I'm making them think I'm going to crash into them. Good luck.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
Well done.
See ya.
Yes, have a good one.
Everything.
Remember, you're only qualified to ride on a car park.
Okay.
Yes.
At 12 to 15.
Yes, no more than 17.
Yes, sir.
You all have a good one.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much, man.
You passed.
It was great.
Remember, you're only qualified to ride in a car park at 12 to 17 miles an hour. So if you get a bike, find a car park and practice a lot.
Gotcha.
An awful lot in your case.
No problem.
All right, good.
Thanks, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So that was that. As you can see, the sun is starting to go down. It was quite late. That class was quite challenging, but we got them all through it, and that's a good thing, I think. Motorcycle riding is not rocket science, but it is a physical skill which needs practice. So, toodle pip, have a great day, and see you next time.